Hello friends, Namaste Sabalai. Today we are going to learn one Excel tip on how to protect the worksheet or your important data. Let's say you want to share your data to any other person, want to read, but you don't want them to make any changes. Then it may be a good tip for you. So let's start here. Here are some important data. You want to share this to any other person to read only, but not to make any changes on the entire sheet. Then just go to this sheet, right click and go to protect sheet command. You will see here clicked on protect worksheet and contents of locked cells. Write password, let's say 123, click again, re-enter password 123. Okay, now if you want to click here, you'll find that no cells are editable. You just can read here. So if you want to unprotect this sheet again, you go on the same way, click on unprotect sheet, write a password 123. Okay, now again back to editable version. Let's say you want to allow them to add the row or column. You want to give them some options to do. You can go again on the same way on protect sheet. See here the options are insert column, insert rows, delete columns, delete rows. You can just click here and click OK. Now you can just add the column or add the row, I think, but without making any changes. You can only read here, you can only add the column, except that you cannot do anything. So again you can go here and unprotect the sheet on the same way. So by this you can have others to only read without any changes. Now let's go to some more specific advantage of protect command. It is given the data, it is given some data, different types of deposit with the target amount given here. Now you want to share this workbook to the head of the deposit department to write the actual deposits, and at the same time you need to be sure that these target amounts are not changed. So how do you do that, friends? Now it is little tricky. If you go to Ctrl+1 command and here is a protection group, you will see here already it is clicked on locked. It means all the cells are already locked by default. So again, just see, you go to protection, right click here, protection sheet. What is written here? Protect worksheet and content of locked cells. It means you are protecting the locked sheets only. So how do you do in this case? Simple trick it, just clicked on these particular cells in which you want other person to write and go to Ctrl+1 and click is not locked. Okay, now it means these particular cells are not locked. So again go to right click, protection sheet command. Now it is already clicked as protect worksheet and contents of locked cells only. It does not protect the unlocked cells. Okay, now what will you find here? All these cells are locked, protected, but these particular cells you can edit here or you can write, but this target, these are locked, these are already protected. So guys, in this way you can protect your data. How did you like it? I am Suraj Kamatakal from National Training Institute. Please like and subscribe it if you liked it, and comment it, and please comment which tips you want to have in future. We'll get back to you with those tips soon. Bye.